Good afternoon, this is RJS Roofing. We're here to do a repairability attempt for Mr. Mark Glasizer. Today's date is Wednesday, August 14th. It is 4:20 in the afternoon and it is 88 degrees out here. This is going to be the 3-tab that we're replacing due to this wind damage shingle here. Tools we're going to use is State Farm approved roof snake, standard nail puller, and a roofing hammer. I'm gonna go ahead and break these seals. That way we can get to our nails. Alright, I'll give you guys an overview of those 2 rows that we'll be taking nails from. That way you can see before we start taking nails out, there's no prior creasing, damage, or anything of that nature really, except for the tab that we'll be replacing. Right. Start taking these nails out. Being as gentle as I can with this shingle. Just lifting it up maybe like a 1/2 inch. Not even that really.
On this shingle here, you can see some damaged matting right here on the left side and right here throughout the middle, but the right side's pretty good. On this shingle here, you can see some damaged matting as well on the left side. A little bit right here, going throughout the middle again, and a little bit over here in the right corner. This shingle here, you can see a crease starting to form on the left side of this shingle, going to the right. Ends in the middle. Right's pretty good. On this shingle here, you can see a crease starting to form on the left side, going throughout the middle, all the way to the right side.
All right.
On this shingle here, the left side of the shingle is pretty good. Then when you get to the middle, there's some broken matting, and on the right side. On this shingle here, there's some damaged matting right here on the left side, along with some right here in the middle. The right side's good. On this shingle here, you can see some broken matting right here on the left side, a little bit here in the middle, and a little bit over here on the right.
All right. There's 3-tab out of here. All right, I'm gonna use the State Farm approved roof snake to install these nails back. Still being as gentle as I can. Just lifting the shingle up, like I said, about an inch, half an inch. Get that nail underneath. All right, this repair test is finished. We'll go over the damage with you guys, or the results. All right, as you can see, we got our new 3-tab installed. If you look at this shingle here, not too bad really anywhere but the middle right there with some broken matting. Slightly right there, but right there. If it doesn't reseal, it'll just get worse over time. We'll mark that one. This one you can see kind of across the whole top there, more on the right in the middle, but definitely damaged, so we'll mark that one. This one's not too bad, but you can see slight creasing, slight broken matting throughout the whole top right there. Some granule loss. This shingle here, kind of the same. A little bit of broken matting there, but you can see there's a slight crease starting to form, and this whole top row probably won't reseal, so that'll just get worse over time. This shingle here, not too bad, but you can see from the middle to the left, it's pretty bad. Over here on the right, it's kind of all right, but because of this side right here, we'll mark that one. This shingle is probably the best one out of the group, but since it's on the top row, it's not going to reseal because that old tar strip. You can see some broken matting there. We'll mark that one. And then this one as well, you can see broken matting and crease starting to form right there as well. So these damages surrounding this repair, you know, if you had a real repair crew up here or a install crew, they're not going to be anywhere near as gentle as that. So yeah, with the condition of these shingles and this damages, I'd say this repair test has failed.